त्रैलोक्य गीता चैप्टर 11 मधुर भक्ति विचार योगः association with enquiry of sweet devotion
प्रवृत्ति धर्म वक्ता च स्थापको रक्षकः स किम् ईश्वरः पापभागेवं पृष्टं चापि परीक्षिता. God Datta, the ultimate unimaginable God, mediated by the first energetic being and called as first energetic incarnation or Ishvara or Father of Heaven, is incarnated as Krishna, who is the author of the ethical constitution of worldly life, which is established by him and also protected by him. Even King Parikshit, who was given life by God Krishna, asked sage Shuka that how such ultimate God participated in this horrible sin of illegal sex with wives of other souls. Sakadham dharmasetunam vakta kartabhirakshita pratīpamācarat brahman paradārābhimarshanam. Bhagavatam.
Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that propagating divine spiritual knowledge pleases the Lord greatly. Jnana yajnena tenaham. Spiritual knowledge brings about permanent harmony and peace in the world. So join us in sharing this universal divine knowledge of Lord Datta and earn the highest grace of God.